art inspired by Israeli sculptor Yaakov Agam. You will need 4 sheets of paper, a ruler, pen or pencil, markers, crayons, and scissors. Start by drawing lines from the top to the bottom every 2 inches along the length of the paper. You will need to do this on 2 sheets of paper, or you can use the downloadable PDF. Mark the top of one sheet of the paper with numbers and the bottom of the other sheet with letters. Cut off and discard the small section at the end. On the opposite side of each sheet of paper, create your art. Have fun creating your masterpiece. You can use markers with water and a brush or a Q-tip to get a watercolor effect. When the art has dried and finished, admire your work. Flip your artwork over and cut along the lines to make strips. Alternate the strips by placing a number down, then a letter, until you have finished using all of the pieces. Make sure you keep the strips in sequential order. Glue the strips to the sheet with the corresponding numbers and letters in sequential order. This is where you will be gluing the strips of paper. This is the result. Notice how the artwork alternates. Keep the strips in the same order and glue the pieces down onto the sheet of paper. Now it is all glued together and dried. Use a ruler to help you fold a crease along the strips. This should create a fan-like effect. Notice the fan-like effect. Change the angle from side to side. Depend on the angle that you view the image. You will see one drawing or the other. Ta-da! It's done! Have fun! Enjoy!